Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Reclaim IT is a 7.9% Bifenthrin suspended concentrate insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Reclaim controls many different species of insects. We typically recommend it primarily for indoor and outdoor use to control fleas, cockroaches, spiders, mosquitoes, and even wood-destroying insects like carpenter ants and termites. Before using Reclaim IT, be sure to use proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Reclaim at a rate of 0.2 to 2 ounces per gallon of water, depending on the level of infestation and targeted pests. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Overuse of the product could make it less effective. Reclaim IT comes in an easy-to-use tip and measure bottle. Make sure both caps are tight and tip the bottle over. Use the slanted lines and tip the bottle back until you have the required amount. Add water to your sprayer and then add the chemical. Agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Reclaim IT is typically used as an outdoor broadcast spray, but it can also be used as a barrier spray around structures, including around windows, around doors, along your eaves, and any other entry points, such as weep holes and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the wall. Reclaim IT can even be used for termite treatments. Indoors, it can be used as a crack, crevice, and baseboard spray. You can apply Reclaim IT with either a pump sprayer, a hose end sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume applications. Apply Reclaim during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast. Keep all pets and people off the treated areas until it's dry. Reclaim IT has a residual of up to 90 days. We typically recommend spraying quarterly for preventative control. Reclaim IT is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take up to 1 hour for it to die. Depending on your targeted pest's life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll need a growth regulator, or bait or dust, for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information. Reclaim IT is not intended to be used as a broadcast spray indoors, only as a spot, crack, and crevice treatment. If you wish to broadcast spray in your home, check out Flex 1010 or Novicide Aerosol, which treats similar pests and are labeled for broadcast spraying indoors.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.